Welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. You can find the download link for the Mega Graphics pack in the description below. If you face any problem in downloading them, then you can reach me out on my social media account or drop your comment below. With that being said, let's jump right into the short tutorial. You can use all the elements by simple drag and drop method. Once you have downloaded the files, open After Effects. And on the left side, you have the blank project panel. Open your downloaded files and drop the After Effects file you want to edit. In my case, I will drag the typography pack on the project panel, and this pack includes over 100 plus typography templates for you to edit. As a whole, this graphic pack includes over 3000 elements. Anyways, I will just browse once and I will select one typography template, and down below you have the timeline to edit. Simply click on the text and change it with your custom text and you are done. It was very simple. Just choose your template and edit them by using the timeline. If you want other packs like Instagram stories, transitions, titles, backgrounds, then you can just drop it on the project and start your edit. So that's it for the tutorial. It's Rahul DNG signing off here. Drop a like if you have enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.